So this is part 2 of Springdale. I accidentally hit a button, so it's this is gonna be part 2 of the video. So anyway, so the cabinets turned out pretty nice. We use all hardwood cabinets, or plywood cabinets, I should say. So I apologize, misspoke. So again, this is a shower, but we use these puck lights, and I think they're pretty cool. I like them. They give, and then exhaust fan works. And you know, I'm gonna say that, you know, this house is looking pretty good. Once the floor guy said he'll be done Friday or Saturday, and once that happens, this house is gonna look pretty good. This house is gonna be pretty close to ready. So granite gets measured on Thursday, which is why my cabinet guy is here on Tuesday night at 5 o'clock working. We will go downstairs and we will take a look. So we dry locked this basement, and so as you can see, my painter's been breathing oil-based paint all day down here. We moved all the painting items down here, and we got a dehumidifier running down here. You know, this is a pretty tough basement, so, but you can see that, you know, it actually is doing all right. It's looking pretty good. See, so we got 75% humidity down in this basement right now, and that's a lot. So, I mean, you can see that thing dripping. That's a lot of water is pulling out of the air right now. And so we got this door, works pretty good. Oops. So this door is nice. Got it where it needs to go, and latch is really nice. I got a pretty good carpenter. That's one thing I got a pretty good deal on. So anyway, that's that. This house is coming near the stairs. Looks pretty good. I'll show you what the stairs look like. So say hola, Manuel.
Hola, hola.
All right. So this box was always a problem, but we got this thing changed out to a proper plastic box that won't rust out anymore. And that's about it. So this house is steadily coming together. All right. And until the next one, y'all stay tuned. Thanks.